Hey there, this is Mike with Adventures in Flight. Thank you very much for joining me for this video presentation. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to be able to watch. So I saw a video this morning from a content creator who I am not familiar with. Many of you may be, but and quite frankly, I don't recall his name. But the title of his video was, I turned down $10,000 to review a drone. And he stated the reason why he turned down the money is because of rules and regulations in various places, and also the fact that he had become bored with the hobby of flying drones and getting videography from there. I have to question that because well, I'm not questioning the money part. I think, certainly everybody has their own degree of integrity, and and if that's something that means a lot to him to not be endorsed or not accepting money from a company, that's perfectly his prerogative. But what I don't understand is being bored with flying drones and shooting videography or photography from the air. I went through a period where I was burned out, and the reason I was burned out was due to work and also some other things going on. But I dove back into the hobby head first, and it has just been awesome for me. It's been a great stress reliever, and it's been a lot of fun to be able to do this. But there's one thing I'll mention is my drone photography, videography has been mostly of the same places. And basically I do this out of convenience. I also do this because it's easy. And also there are things that occur at these places that are different on a daily basis. So the basis of this video is to prove that you can do different things with a drone even though you're flying in the same area. So I'm going to explain this one, and this is a unique video, at least for me. I decided to do something out of the box, and I had this great idea, and it turned out to be pretty decent. I've already taken the flight, and I've already done all of that work. But basically what I did was I planned a Waypoint mission from scratch, and I flew the Air 3S, of course, and that particular flight, the Waypoint mission, pointed the camera towards Sawnee Mountain most of the way. It was not following the direction of the drone, but it basically meant that the drone was flying sideways to capture the mountain and that area. And then it straightened up, and then it went to a point of interest, or actually it was not a point of interest, it was a look down at the dreaded pond, and then it rose back up and then went around the second pond and did a point of interest flight there, and then it came back to the dreaded pond and actually lowered its altitude and did a point of interest there as well. Now, you may say, well, you do this all the time, but not from that prerogative. It was a different perspective to be able to do this. So, with waypoints and points of interest, you can switch it up and do so many different things that it makes, you can plan so many flights and make them interesting. And the end result may be boring, it may not turn out great, but you can have instances like this where it's a unique perspective. So that was my goal, and I think I achieved my goal. So I invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this particular video. But now, let's get to it.